So we got in a new job today, 2017 Explorer Limited. They hit a deer, tore off this corner of the bumper, a couple odd and end things, damaged the fender and the door. We'll let y'all tag along and check out this process and get to see everything with it. Thanks. So we got Black Beauty all tore down and ready to start body work. We got a big old dent right here and a little one right there. We're gonna fix those and blend out on this door. Paint that, paint the new bumper cover. We got all the parts on the way, and we got a bunch of deer hair wedged between the wheel and tire we gotta get out. That's what I'm worried about. got our body work done. We had that dent here. It traveled up a little bit, a dent here. We got it all fixed. I used our new fancy UV primer on here, and I got it all blocked out and straight. So now I got to sand the rest of these two panels. I pulled our belt molding off, our door handle, our rear view mirror. Anything that's up against the paint, I'm going to get off, so we don't have any tape lines or anything like that. And it's 300% humidity today. So we got the fans going, but we're going to get this thing ready for paint, tape it all up, and we'll go to the booth and spray it down. Alright, so we got this thing painted in the booth as you saw. It all turned out good. We got it rolled out here in the shop. We got to put the bumper cover on and a few little odd and end pieces, and then we got to clean it all up, get ready to send it back to the customer. So I got the bumper cover all put together, and I got a new way of putting them on that's a lot faster and a lot easier. So I'll show you guys. I just got to do, I think I'll try that way from now on. It works pretty good. So we got the bumper on, and that's all put together. It's good to go. We just need to take it out there and give it a good wash, and we'll send it on its way. What's up, guys? So we got it finished. We got it all cleaned up, and I think it looks pretty good. This one turned out pretty good. It don't have very many miles on it. It's a pretty new car, so it needed to turn out good. So it looks, I think it looks pretty good, especially since it's black, you know. But it's ready to go back to the customer, and he's gonna pick it up in the morning. So thank y'all for watching. If you hadn't already, subscribe to us. We're gonna keep trying to make more and more videos of jobs like this, and give us a like. Thanks.